So let's start with an activity. We need to draw a pair of intersecting lines such that all four angles are equal. So we got to see different scenarios. In this case, it was 30 and 120. So that is the scenario. So now they are asking us to make all of these angles same. Let's try doing that. So let me keep this as it is. This is convenient, the blue line that is. So now it's 30 and this is 120. I can't zoom into this per se. Now it is, yeah, we can't have this. Actually, this angle is too small and this is too big. So I should go the other way around. I guess this will help. So this is around 30 to 90 is 60, 70, 75 guys. Other one will be, it's more than 90. That will not work out. Maybe this will help, I guess. I mean, I do know the answer. Okay. Now, does this help? Looks so. Let's have a zoomed in version. Alright, just a second, guys. Yeah, let's have a look. Do we have this? So we have 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90. So this is clearly 90 degree. I hope you guys remember how to mark 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 90 to 180. The difference is again 90 degree. 180 and 270. 270, 180 is 100 and minus 10. That is again 90 degree. And then we have 270 to, this is 360. Let me count actually. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 90 degree. So we were able to do it. So let's go back. Actually, let me do one more, as in, let me take one more pair and show it to you guys. Let's try doing it for weird angle because this was too simple. So let me change this and let's try to make this as equal. You can clearly see that this is getting too small. That won't help. So let me go the other way around. Now this looks a bit bigger, but this looks way bigger than this. So let me try to, does this look okay? Kind of. I think the other angle is, it looks okay. I think this is a bit okay, now it's better, I guess. I didn't mean that to happen. Let me not change that. I think this is convenient for me. Okay, this is convenient. Let me change this. I think this is a bit bigger from that end. Okay. Now it looks okay, guys. I think it's okay. I hope. I think they are equal. They look equal. Let's see if they are equal or not. If this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. If this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. So these two angles are equal. Let's see the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This two is 90 degree. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Again, we were able to successfully show or create a scenario wherein all the angles are equal. So what will be the measure of each angle? In this case, we got to see it was 90 degree. And conclusion is that perpendicular lines are pair of lines that intersect each other at 90 degree. That is, this pair of lines are example of perpendicular lines. So this is not a conclusion, this should be a definition. Sorry. So perpendicular lines. So as an idea or a definition, perpendicular lines are lines or pair of lines that intersect. Intersect means meet each other at right angle, that is 90 degree. And as an example, we were able to see this too. So this two were case 1, case 2. This two were an example of a scenario wherein we got to see perpendicular lines.